Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative because in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful design ideas of hand embroidered necklines, hand embroidered blouse, and very beautiful and easy to make hand embroidered neckline design ideas. All of these neckline design ideas could be used to make your own frocks, front necklines, back necklines, your sari blouse, your kurti blouse, your frock, your maxi, your gowns, and much more as per your requirements. Like you can also make these very beautifully designed neckline patterns onto your blended soft stuff vest, some summer outfits, and even you can make these very beautifully floral design patterns onto your hand knitted materials like sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, and stuff like this. So with your Banarsi sari, with your crinkle chiffon gown, net chiffon frocks, you can absolutely go well with these very beautifully and heavily embroidered front and back neckline embroidered with the full potential heavy hand embroidered handmade sleeve design ideas. So friends, all you have to do is kindly do try these patterns and use anchor, DMC, and butterfly for making these patterns. Even you can also use wool for making these hand embroidery patterns if you want to get some more matte, dull, and decent touch. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like my today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with latest updates and uploads of my channel. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new videos. Take care of yourselves, and once again, thanks for watching my content. Keep supporting us, keep loving us like this as you always have been.